Okay, I'm making a follow-up video to the Stratus 5 that I made a year ago for my mom that uses the Stratus 5. We had it a year, and it started making the random beeping noise. It would beep 3 times and then twice, 2 in a row. Like it'd go do-do-do, do-do, do-do-do, do-do, and then it would have like a red low light on here with a little graph that was halfway empty. And it would be like a red low. So with that video that I made on how to fix an issue, you want to make sure that the filters are clean. So with the Stratus 5, you got one here on the side, as you know. And in order to clean it, you can turn it off, unplug it. You can vacuum here, and then you could vacuum this filter here. You could remove the filter and clean it with dishwashing detergent. Just make sure it's fully dry before you put it back in. So the Stratus 5 has 2 filters. It's got this one, but it also has the one here on the side. This little compartment opens up, and this pulls out. And this really needs to be serviced every 6 months. All right, but we'll remove that, put that back in, and then, of course, you want to make sure it's got plenty of ventilation, nothing around it like a bed or a sofa. You want to make sure it's plugged in and not to an extension cord. You want to make sure it's plugged into a wall. You want to check the tubing, make sure that there's no beeps, there's no kinks in it. And I did not know this about the larger concentrators like the Stratus 5. You do not need all this green tubing unless you have the hydrogen bottle that goes on the top here that you fill with water in order to get hydration with your oxygen. Then you do need a little bit of a longer line. And you need this connector connecting your canella. I keep forgetting that name. The part that goes into your nose, the clear one, to the green one, and you want like a hydrogen connector like this. That's a clear tube. If you have water with the water bottle, but we don't have the water bottle, so we don't need that. So instead, we're using this instead, and that actually connects to this part. This connects to this part right here. But if you're not walking around, you do not need all this tubing. You can just do this, the canella, directly to the Stratus 5. Now, I changed out the filters. I played around with the settings, and I was still getting the beeping error. And I put a brand new line there, and it was still getting the beeping. So we just called the 800 number that's on there. The insurance company paid for it. They came out, and they just switched out the Stratus 5 with another Stratus 5 that was ready to go. And so if you've tried everything else, they'll call your insurance company or call the 800 number, whoever serviced you with your oxygen concentrator, if you don't own your own, right? I'm assuming you don't. But if they could bring it out, and if not, then you can call the 800 number with Stratus and have them help you troubleshoot it. You'd probably have to pay to get a technician out, but it's well worth it because oxygen is so important. You might be able to buy another filter, like I showed you there earlier, that white one, or just send it off to get it serviced. But if you have portable oxygen, use the portable one, but don't go without oxygen. All right, let me know if any of these solutions help, and let me know what you think about your Stratus 5.